Vamsi, Boman Irani has turned into a filmmaker and I can't keep calm. And what a film! I absolutely loved it. How did you choose these characters? What did you see in them that this is your Mehta boy? What was it? Why this boy? Why this girl? Why are these people sitting here?
Beautiful face. Just beautiful face that you saw.
Yeah, it was just the beautiful face.
Happy with that.
Come on, Vamsi.
So, I'll tell you what. I think, and I'd heard this somewhere, and I truly believe it, that the greatest job a director can do is to cast well. You know, you think that you're a maestro and you're doing controlling everything. Yes, don't let people know you're controlling everything. Just sit back and watch and turn the knobs a little bit. Louder, softer, faster, slower, little more, little less. That's it. So the casting, not just the casting of the cast, but even the casting of the crew was very important. Not only do you have to be good at your work, maybe you're not the most famous crew member. As long as you get the film, you're cast. You got the film, you're cast. Talent-wise, I'm not so sure, but they got the film. They're very good. You know, you saw them, so the joke works because you saw them and you know how good they are.
Yes,
so the joke works, you know I'm pulling their leg. But they're so good simply because A, they're good, and B, they got the film. You can be very, very good, and if you don't get the film,
there's no point of being good.
There's no point of being good. Thank you.
And let's come to the actors here. All three of you, tell me, how was it working with the first-time director here who, I don't know what is, I was just asking him, what is that one thing that Boman Irani can't do? What is it?
Get on a diet. Anyway.
Oh, you did?
I did get on a diet. I put on a lot of weight for that film.
Yes, it's debut, his debut as a director, but it doesn't feel like it's his first film as a director because the prep that he did, and that's the 8 years of the writing and staying with the script and chewing it and changing, tweaking. I think it didn't feel like this is a first-time director. Our man here managed to do that. It really feels like a khandan now,
Yeah.
Really.
What about you, Shreya?
So for me, growing up, a lot of Boman sir's work has been instrumental in me falling in love with films and acting.
Wow.
And that's obviously for the actor, Boman Irani, right? And I remember reading or hearing this one interview, and I could be absolutely wrong. I think it was David Fincher who said that, when an entire cast and crew peaks, that's when movie magic happens. For me, I got to witness how when a particular human being peaks, there's a trickle-down effect. So I think I will attribute to the director, Boman Irani, because it was a passion project for him initially, and then soon after, it became a passion project for every single person, cast, crew, involved in the film. And I think that's the might of the director in him. And I think we're just lucky as an audience that now we don't just have him as an actor, but as a director and a writer. So
I'll give you an anecdote. There's one scene that was happening. My director came to me and he said, "Am I the only director who has driven you up the wall like this?" And I was thinking of being nice, and he said, and looked at me and said, "If you had said yes, I would have really liked it." So that is the director, Boman Irani, that these girls were talking about. This is what I had to go through. But jokes apart, I mean, honestly, the director, I found him during the rehearsal period. That's when I think the direction really happened there. And on set, I met the actor. The director would come up and say something here and there, but the actor was present, and I had a joy of working with him as an actor on set, which was wonderful because when you act as a director, I didn't know I would have this kind of freedom. And I'm kind of spoiled now. I want to see if this will happen again. Because there's just some kind of freedom that I felt where both the actors were enjoying, indulging, without the care of a director out there.
Oh, shut up.
I think he should go ahead and say what he was doing during the rehearsals.
What were you doing?
Making Avinash become a man.
Tell me.
See, it's how you take it. This is how you take it. You think I was making you miserable. I was just
Two different
pushing.
answers.
Correct? That's how you take it. You feel I made you miserable. Okay. Maybe, what?
I said two different answers. It's how you take it,
It's
like
how
you
you
said.
take
Yeah.
it. I mean, had you just hit the, God, am I faster? I would not have made you so miserable.
Vamsi, let's go to the writing part.
Right.
Writer is the hero of any film. I feel
Thus
so.
spake a Bengali girl.
Yes, it is the
True.
hero, right? But you know, in our industry, we take it very lightly. We do not respect our writers. We do not even talking about the pay to the writers. सबसे पहले उनका पैसा कटता है. So you know, how do you think? I think a lot can be changed if we start respecting our writers. What do you think now that you know you have gone through the whole process?
Okay, I'm going to be really harsh on this one. Just because you're a writer, it doesn't mean you should be respected and paid. You should be worthy of that respect and pay. So you've got to work that much harder as a writer. But the problem is that, you know, writers are writing in the dark and in solitary. And they say, let's churn it out. I can't spend 3 years on a script. What am I going to eat? So what came first, the chicken or the egg, is the problem here. So, I don't know if you've heard of Spiral Bound. I think it's something that I've started to encourage writers to, and I've been teaching for the last 4 years now. 785 sessions we've done. Writers should, and I keep telling them, just push yourself to write, to learn techniques, to learn structure, to learn theme, to learn character arcs. Just, and then break the rules. Don't say, hey, I don't want to learn rules. Yeah, then okay, then you'll come up with nonsense. But some writing these days is quite beautiful. Which is this series, Warrant...
Blackwater.
Blackwater. Oh! We're talking about the writer now. The writer is the hero. So when we watch a movie in class, when the writer's name comes out, we pause and we clap.
Wow.
We pause and we applaud the writer because the writer has to be given his due, but we also have to, he has to make himself worthy of that due.
Absolutely.
You can't say, मैं writer हूँ, मैं intellectual हूँ, मेरे हाथ में pen है, so I'm great. No. Work at it.
Yes, absolutely. Thank you so much and all the very best.
Thank you
you,
so
God
much.
bless.
Thank you.